The SIS Flex portal makes it super easy to add your staff members as users, which will allow them to access the portal under their own login credentials. First, access your account settings by clicking on the gear icon on the left-hand navigation panel, or by clicking on your user avatar in the upper right-hand corner and select Settings. From there, click Users. If you already have users created, you'll see them listed here. If not, click Add. Start by entering the user's name and email address. Then choose the level of access you wish for them to have. Access levels can either be set to full access, meaning the user has access to everything in the portal, or custom, meaning that you control what the user has access to. If you choose custom access level, the portal and apps tabs will become accessible. Within those tabs are multiple checkboxes that will allow you to choose the user's permissions accordingly. Once you are finished adding your user, click Save. Once a user has been added, they will receive an email with a link to set their own password. From there, you can keep track of your users to see who has logged in and when by looking at the last login column on the main users page. That's it for adding users. Thanks for watching.